In this video, I'll show you how to make a website in Replit. So here we are on Replit, and all you want to do, if not starting from the home screen, is go to Apps on the left, click on Create on the top right, and in here you are going to type in exactly what you want made. And I'm just going to type in build me a music blog all about trumpets. Try to be more descriptive than this, but just for an example. Then all I need to do is either choose, do I want it to build the entire app, or do I want to do this in sections starting with a design? I'm going to let it build the entire app, and keep in mind this can take 20 minutes or even more. Once you choose one, click on Start Building, and now it's going to begin building the entire app all by itself. And here on the left hand pane you can see all the work that it's done. I do need to upgrade to continue because I am on the free plan, which is very limited. But as you can see here, we have gotten very far in the website building. So generally when you're done here, you would go to Tools and Files, and you can even look through the sidebar on the left and edit as you please. And that is all I've got for you guys today, just quickly showing you how to get set up with your first website on Replit. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.